Chapter 9. Scratch Initials. Learning Objectives. After completing the chapter, students will be able to know the purpose of Scratch, know the interface of Scratch. Info bits. Scratch 2.0 was introduced in May 2013. Introduction to Scratch. Scratch is a visual, fun-filled programming language. It provides a learning environment for kids. It allows the users to create games, stories, and animation. There are different versions of Scratch. Features of Scratch. It is a free and open-source programming language. It is easy to learn and use. It can run on multiple platforms or operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It provides a graphical environment where the user can connect blocks of codes to create programs. Info bits. A file in Scratch is saved as a project. Starting Scratch. Two methods to start Scratch are given as Method 1. Using Start menu. 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. 2. Click on the Scratch 2 option. The Scratch interface appears. Method 2. Using shortcut icon. Double-click on the Scratch icon if available on the desktop. The Scratch interface appears. Interface of Scratch. Scratch has the following interface. Components of Scratch interface. The components of Scratch programming interface are given below. Title bar. It displays the name of the program. Here, Scratch 2 Offline Editor. It is the topmost part of the Scratch interface. Menu bar. It displays the various menus that are a part of the Scratch program. The menus part of the Scratch 2 version are File, Edit, Tips, and About. Stage. The background for the sprite is called stage or backdrop. Scratch creation shows up here. Sprite. Each object in Scratch is called a sprite. Cat is a default sprite. Script area. It is located on the right side of the stage. It is grey in color. Green flag. Click on the green flag to start the execution of the main program. Stop sign. Click on red stop sign to end your programs. Toolbar. There are several tools for your use like Duplicate. It is used to duplicate or create another copy of the sprite. Delete. It is used to delete the sprite. Grow. It is used to increase the size of the sprite. Shrink. It is used to decrease the size of the sprite. Duplicating the sprite. To duplicate the sprite, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the sprite on the stage. 2. Click on the Duplicate button. 3. Click on the sprite. The sprite will be duplicated. Increasing the size of the sprite. To increase the size of the sprite, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the sprite on the stage. 2. Click on the Grow button. The shape of the cursor changes. 3. Click on the sprite. The size of the sprite increases. 4. Click on the number of times you want to increase the size of the sprite. Decrease the size of the sprite. To decrease the size of the sprite, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the sprite on the stage. 2. Click on the Grow button. The shape of the cursor changes. 3. Click on the sprite. The size of the sprite decreases. 4. Click on the number of times you want to decrease the size of the sprite. Deleting the cat sprite. To delete the cat sprite, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the cat sprite. A shortcut menu appears. 2. Click on the Delete option. The cat sprite will be deleted. Changing the backdrop of stage. To choose two backdrops, follow the given steps. A. Click on the stage on the bottom left of the interface. B. Click on the Choose a Backdrop from Library button. The Backdrop Library window appears. C. Choose the first backdrop, for example, Bedroom 1. Press the Shift key and click on the next backdrop, for example, Canyon. D. Click on OK. The two backdrops added appear in the backdrops list, along with the default white background backdrop. Saving a Scratch project. Once you have created the Scratch project, you can save it for future reference. To save a sprite, follow the given steps. 1. Click on File, go to Save As option. The Save Project dialog box appears. 2. Choose your location from its left pane and type the name of file in File Name box. 3. Click on Save button to save the project file. Opening a saved project. To open the saved project, follow the given steps. 1. Click on File, go to Open option. The Open Project dialog box appears. 2. Choose the desired file and click on the Open button. Summary. Scratch is a visual programming platform. Mitchell Resnick is a part of MIT-developed Scratch. Scratch is a programming language used to create your own interactive animations, music, stories, games, and art. You can insert and delete a sprite from the stage. You can change the backdrop of the stage. You can save a Scratch project.